Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, drive!
That's qualification match number 34 underway. The drop bears picking up an algae, trying to shoot into the barge. Barker Redbacks placing algae onto the reef as well for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, on red, all two robots I should say, off the line as we moved into the teleoperator period. The drop bears have an algae in their robot looking to shoot into the barge. Meanwhile, 64-32, that's the Valkyries looking to play some defense against the Blue Alliance. And we have our first algae shot of the match from Team 4774. Meanwhile, that's 46-13, the Barker Redbacks dislodging algae and getting those coral onto the reef. Let's go back to the Blue Alliance. We have 47-88, that's Can't Control, trying to place some, dislodging some algae from the reef. Back to a loading station, trying to collect some coral to put onto that level 3 reef. Meanwhile, we move back to the Blue Alliance. 47-74, the drop bears picking up algae from the floor and shooting into that barge, scoring points for the Blue Alliance. 53 points for the Blue Alliance with 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining on the clock. That's the drop bears again. Another shot into the barge. They are loving these algae points here on the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, the Barker Redbacks left undefended to try and score as many coral as they can. Whilst the drop bears go for those algae points, picking up from the loading station, getting defended by the Valkyries. That's 64-32. 1 minute left on the clock in qualification number 34. A missed shot from the drop bears. They're going to try and pick up off the reef here with that algae. Meanwhile, we move back to the Red Alliance, 47-88, playing hard on that coral. They have placed another level 3 coral onto their reef and are lining up to climb. We have 40 seconds on the clock. The drop bears picking up algae again off the ground. They're going to try and shoot into the barge here. Just bouncing over the top. 30 seconds to go for our alliance here. It looks like we have Can't Control have lost the belt in their robot. Meanwhile, the drop bears lining up for a climb. 20 seconds remaining on the clock. Barker also going for the climb here. We have 15 seconds. 3 robots for the blue trying to go for that climb. Let's count down from 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 climbs for the Blue Alliance. The scores at the moment, 40 for red. It's a win for the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance winning 121-44. Let's see what that does for the rankings. Team 46-13, that's the Barker Redbacks, stay in position 1. 47-74, the drop bears to rank 4.